Sunday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of thunderstorms. A chance of showers in the evening, then showers likely after midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. Chance of rain 60%. Monday, partly sunny. A slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s. Chance of rain 30%. Monday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of thunderstorms. A chance of showers. Lows in the upper 60s. Chance of rain 40%. Tuesday, partly sunny with a slight chance of showers. A slight chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-80s. Chance of rain 20%. Once again, the forecast for today, sunny with highs in the lower 90s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour, with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Here's a look at weather conditions at 10 a.m. Wichita was mostly sunny. The temperature was 82, and the relative humidity was 66%. Winds were south at 17 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.11 and falling. Winfield was sunny. The temperature was 84, dew point 71, and the relative humidity was 65%. Winds were south at 12 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.14 and steady. Hutchinson was sunny. The temperature was 82, dew point 71, and the relative humidity was 69%. Winds were south at 16, gusting to 25 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.09 and falling. Elsewhere around the region, Wellington was 84 and sunny. Madison was 86. Winds were south with gusts to 23. Eden was 84 and sunny. Ponca City was 84 and sunny. Oklahoma City was 80 and mostly sunny. Winds were south with gusts to 24. Dodge City was 79 and sunny. Winds were south with gusts to 30. Salina was 83 and sunny. Winds were south with gusts to 32. Emporia was 85 and sunny. The heat index was 91. Winds were southwest with gusts to 22. Topeka was 86 and sunny. The heat index was 91. Winds were south with gusts to 24. Kansas City was 84 and partly sunny. The heat index was 90. Once again at 10 a.m., Wichita was 82 and mostly sunny. The Wichita Eisenhower National Climate Summary for yesterday, June 24th, 2025. Yesterday's high temperature was 92 degrees. This high was 2 degrees above the normal high of 90. The record high is 103 degrees, which was last set in 1980. Yesterday's low temperature was 72 degrees. This low was 4 degrees above the normal low 68. The record low is 53 degrees, which was set in 1940. Low precipitation fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at 10.72 inches. This is 6.70 inches above the normal amount of 4.02 inches for June. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 23.28 inches, which is 6.64 inches above normal. The normal high temperature for today is 90 degrees, and the normal low is 68. The record high for today is 107, which occurred in 1911, and the record low is 48, which occurred in 1958. Sunrise today is at 6:10 a.m. and sunset is at 8:55 p.m. The current time is 10:59 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Flood warning now in effect until 10:30 a.m. Thursday. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues. Where? A portion of central Kansas, including the following county, McPherson. When? Until 10:30 a.m. Thursday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 9:28 a.m., local law enforcement reported road closures due to flooded roadways. Between 2 and 5 inches of rain fell on Monday and Tuesday. Flooding impacts will continue, but no additional rainfall is expected. Some locations that will experience flooding include McPherson, Inman, Gallup, Wyndham, and McPherson Airport. What? Moderate flooding is forecast. Where? Cow Creek near Hutchinson. When? From this afternoon to early Saturday afternoon. 8.5 feet. There are numerous road closures northwest of Hutchinson due to high water. Low water crossing on 43rd Street just east of Kennington floods. Expect road closure on 43rd Street between Pennington to Hendricks Roads. Also 69th Street floods between Wilson to Pennington Roads. Then 50th Street floods between Wilson and Pennington Roads. Flooding occurs along Pennington Road from Nickerson Boulevard to 50th Avenue. Additional details, at 7:15 a.m. Wednesday the stage was 8.5 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this afternoon to a crest of 10.6 feet early tomorrow afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage early Saturday morning. Flood stage is 9.5 feet.
Well, here we go.
The National Weather Service in Wichita has just activated the warning alarm tone on weather radio station WXK92, KEC 59, WWH22, WXK95, WZ2511, and KES 511. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm tone will only be activated for watches and warnings affecting the following counties across central, south central, and southeast Kansas: Allen, Barber, Barton, Bourbon, Butler, Chase, Chautauqua, Cherokee, Cowley, Crawford, Elk, Ellsworth, Greenwood, Harper, Harvey, Kingman, Labette, Lincoln, Marion, McPherson, Montgomery, Neosho, Pawnee, Pratt, Reno, Bryce, Rush, Russell, Saline, Sedgwick, Stafford, Sumner, Wilson, and Woodson. And in northern Oklahoma: Alfalfa, Grant, and Woods. Once again, the National Weather Service has just conducted a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm tone. We now return to the recorded program. What? Moderate flooding is forecast. Where?
Alright, that is the that is the RWT alley for today, alley. For let's see, for June 25th, 2025 at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. I'll see you all later. Bye.